Hey everyone, we all know Python is famous for being a general purpose language. Either it's doing web development using Django and Flask, game development using Pygame, and many more. But one thing it always lagged was mobile app development. Although it has a framework called Kiwi, but now this problem is solved after introducing Flet. Flet has a number of advantages, like you can create an app in matter of few minutes, an internet tool or a dashboard for your team, weekend project, data entry form, kiosk app, and you can create a good looking interactive app to serve a group of users. Additionally, you can also have a simple architecture in Flat, means no more complex architecture with JavaScript front end and REST API, and also you just need a single tiered software application that uses sessions to maintain state between requests. Moreover, it also has batteries included in it, means that you just need a IDE and or a text editor to create apps. It also includes its own web server, and furthermore, it is powered by Flat, means it has a very good looking UI and it is created using Flutter. So moving on, Flat has an advantage like it speaks your language. It is available in Python, and in future you can expect it to be available in Go and C Sharp. The best part is that you can deliver it to any of your device, either in iOS or Android. So let's head to VS Code and try an example of Flat application. So here's a simple application made using Flat. This is a counter application. So first we have to just install Flat using the command pip install Flat. This will install Flat in your machine, and then simply you can start developing your mobile application. First we have to import Flat as ft, and then we have a main function. The main function takes one argument of page which is from the Flat, and then we have to create a title using dot title function, and you can give any name to the title of the application. And then you have to set the vertical alignment of the application, which is the built-in function, which is of main alignment, main axis alignment dot center, which will make a alignment of the page in the center. Next we have to create a text field, and this text field takes three arguments. First is the value, that the initial value of inside the text, which is 0 in this case, and then the text alignment, which is at the right side, and the width of the text field, which is set to 100. Then we create another function for minus click, which will just decrement the value which is inside the text number, means inside the text field. Furthermore, we also have a function for plus click, which just increments the value which is stored inside the text field. And we use the dot update function to update the values side by side inside the application. At last, we just need to initialize the buttons that we are going to use. We will use two buttons in this. First is the remove button, and the second is the add button. Remove button on click will execute the minus click function, which will decrement the value, and when a user clicks the add button, it will execute the plus click function. At the end, we just need to type ft.app, which will run the application that you have created. So if I run this application, you can see that how great looking the interface of this application is. And if you want me to create more videos on Flat and mobile development using Flat, then I can create a whole playlist for you guys. You just need to tell me down in the comment section. And that was it for today's video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.